Tatas are blessed by God. They are my role model in life. The persons who established the house of Tatas, Sir Ratan Tata and Sir Jamshedji Tata, they willed all their wealth to charity. And do you know one thing, the Tata Cancer Hospital in Bombay, every child who comes to Bombay is examined by them. If they feel they can cure it, they give free treatment. The Indian Cancer Society gives medicines. Now they're setting up a cancer hospital in every headquarters in India. Who set up India's first steel plant, first hotel, 5-star hotel, first power plant, first software company, first car manufacturing company? Who set up the Indian Institute of Sciences? Who set up the Tata? So it is a role model of what is wealth. They are creating wealth for the good of society. What greater noble aim can a human have? I'm extremely positive on the markets. My perception of India is very bullish.
I don't think for a good trader, I think we don't initiate more than 40% of trades which are right. That's why out of 1 million traders, only 90 or 100 really make money. What do you look for? I would look for, first of all, look for broad direction. Don't try to be an expert. Don't try to predict every move, every hour, every day, right? Take a loss. Know what to stake, right? I think I feel confident to trade anywhere in the world. All what you need to have is a broad direction of the trend, right? A very broad idea. Don't try to be an expert in it, right? Know what to stake and when to take a loss.
और हर साल शेयर बाजार में जो इंडिया की जीडीपी है और उसका नॉमिनल इन्फ्लेशन है, उतना तो राइस शेयर बाजार में जरूर आना चाहिए. इनकम टैक्स में शेयर कंसेशन, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन में टैक्स कम लगता है देन डेट. तो मेरे को लगता है, बट स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ वेरी संजय, हर चीज लाइफ में अपने एटीट्यूड के बारे में सब चीज समझते हैं कि ये सट्टा बाजार है, ये कोई हॉर्स रेसिंग जैसा है. इसके बजाय ये एटीट्यूड ये होना चाहिए कि भाई डेट में अपने को पोस्ट डेट 4 से 6% मिलेगा, तो मुझे लगता है इक्विटी में अपने को पोस्ट डेट 12 से 15% का मिलेगा. और जो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में 5% में मेरा पैसा डबल होगा 15 साल में, आप समझे ना, 12% में मेरा पैसा डबल होगा 6 साल में. तो अपने को ये एटीट्यूड से शेयर बाजार में निवेश करना चाहिए. मंथली इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान्स लेने चाहिए. Well, markets are like movement, always commanding, always missed. But always commanding, always missed is always uncertain, always volatile, always exciting. So we can't really know. But see, index has gone from 7,500 to 18,000, and we have had a lot of correction, but there was circular correction. In the sense, one group of shares were going up, one group of shares were correcting. So I think, a correction can happen. We कभी 7,500 का 20,000 का 18,000 हो जाए, I don't know, overrule. या अभी 7,500 का 18,000 है, 16,500. But I see no reversal. And this, sideways correction, where a group of stocks correct, other group of stocks go up. That could continue. So stocks have corrected, but the index as a whole has not corrected. So I am very bullish, and I think people forget the course markets have taken since time immemorial. Markets always follow a set course. There's undervalued asset, then there's assets valuation improves, it further improves, it comes to fair value, then it comes to high value, then mad value, then obscene value. But people don't necessarily are driven by the essential value of assets. They are driven by what their experiences in the previous immediate past has been. And the experience of Indians in Indian stock markets in the last decade has not been good.
But you're feeling good right now. So you think from here onward, this is the time. If you are still away from the markets, the big fish, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala says, please come in now.
I don't say any of that. I don't say whether you should come in today or tomorrow. I only say one thing, that over the period of the next 5 years of the decade, I think the best equity, the best investable asset available in India will be equity. That's my contention among the alternatives. So don't be surprised. इसका इतना वैल्यू हो गया, जोमेटो का 1,40,000 हो गया, पर मिलेंगे 5 साल बाद, देखेंगे. अभी नहीं बेचने का, चड्डी निकल जाएगी, समय आएगा. So the excessive market will correct itself, and excesses have to know it will take place, it will correct. It requires time. यूनिटेक 1800 का भाव का क्या भाव है अभी? 6 रुपये. यूनिटेक टॉप में कितना हुआ था? आई डोंट मीन टू सिंगल आउट इन मैनेजमेंट. हिमाचल क्या हुआ था? ग्लोबल क्या हुआ था? एंड होल दिल्ली, होल इंडिया, कलकत्ता, बॉम्बे, हिमाचल बाय ग्लोबल बाय यूनिटेक. तो सब समय की बात है. पानी पानी, दूध दूध. और अभी आप बोलोगे कि जोमेटो मत लो, गधा है, तेरे को अक्ल नहीं है. मैं 15 से बोलता था यूनिटेक मत लो, तो गधा बोलते थे. Welcome to Akasa Air. It's your sky. He wants to make an airline. I said, you're out of your head. And I don't know what happened to me 48 hours later. I said, no, let's make the airline. And the chairman of ex-chairman of a large bank in India told me, you're mad. You want to create an airline? Well, I thought I said I'm ready for failure. I'm prepared for failure. And I remain eternally grateful to Madhav for bringing this opportunity to me.